Hi, another common question we get asked is how do we do the quick release up? A quick release is a mechanism to hold your wheel into your frame. Here's how. Most people think this is a nut and a bolt setup, which it is, but it also has this cam. So the cam actually closes it off, and it even says open and close in here. So open on this side and then closed when it's closed off. Okay, here we've got the bike in the stand. It makes it a bit difficult now because normally it'd be on the ground. But bring the wheel up into the frame, line up your disc brakes if you've got disc brakes. Sit the axle up into the fork. Now, with me holding tension on it with my knee, I'm going to do it up. It's not like a nut and a bolt. You don't keep winding it until the end. You have to wind it until that cam can close off and be firm in line with the hub. So the angle of the lever is almost close it off, and you should have an impression in your hand. This is a Maxle from Rockshok. So what it has is a quick release lever. You have to put that into the groove, then unwind this. And it's like a through axle where it comes fully out of the fork. Whoop, wheel's gone. Back in. Pretty straightforward. Try and keep light tension on the wheel. Slide it through. Make sure it's in the groove and it's started firmly. And again, just firm, don't do it hard. A lot of people bend these little parts here and then close your quick release off. That's too loose. It needs to be about the same as your normal quick release. So I'll get my adjuster out as I prepared it earlier. See how tight that is? That's better. If there's anything else you want to know, just feel free to subscribe here, leave a comment, or get back to us via email.